So today I am very angry because I had a whole video filmed and edited and ready to post, but I deleted it because I don't like being prepared, apparently. I don't know. But whatever. Anyway, today, luckily, I had a fun day planned, so I'm just gonna film my day for you guys and upload it hopefully by tonight. It's still kind of a nail polish video, so I guess that's kind of good. I'm going to get my nails done with my almost aunt, Vanessa, and I'm going to be bringing in my own polish, that way you guys can see what Brick Sidewalk looks like, KL Polish's Brick Sidewalk. Also because I really wanted to wear this color for Thanksgiving, so I'm just gonna get them done now and pray and hope that it lasts, and if I chip them or anything, I have the polish so I can just fix it. But yeah, so that's gonna be my day today, and I'm excited to take you along with me. I really needed to get my nails done. Okay, am I the only one that gets ticklish when they do this? I hate when they do this and when they file like my toenails. It's literally the worst feeling in the world for me. Okay. I like this part, when all the filing and stuff is done. So at this place that I went, they have these gloves that have cream inside them and they're warm. They feel so good on my hands, and I've literally never seen them at any other salon before. I loved it. Quick detour. So the soap company that I'm obsessed with, Livestone, actually had a pop-up today in Pottery Barn. So before we went and got our nails done, we passed by to see what they had in stock, and I'm running out of my soap. So I had to pick up another one. So this time I picked up the Into Nature one. It has lavender and essential oils, and the gemstone in it is amethyst. The mantra for this one is, I am in control of my destiny, the universe is on my side. Oh, I love that. I didn't even read it before I got it. It just smells nice and I love amethyst, so this is what it looks like in the package. So, I clearly cannot speak English. It has been an eventful day. And I am back in my dorm now in the bathroom because my roommate's asleep. So I'm in the bathroom and I have to clean some brushes because I'm going to Miami soon and my brushes are still Halloween colored. So if you may or may not have seen that for Halloween I was Harley Quinn. And so my brushes are black. That is a black brush, but my brushes are, there we go, black and red, and I have to take care of that because I can't do my makeup when my brushes are dirty like this. So I'm going to show you how I clean my brushes as well in this video because why not? It's already a mix of a whole bunch of stuff. So the soap that I'm using to clean my brushes is the Sephora Solid Brush Cleanser. It looks like this. Let me flip the camera and open it for you so that you can see. So this is what it looks like open. It has this little spongy thing to like cleanse the brushes, but this is the actual soap. And yeah, let's start cleaning. I have a couple. I have these few, I don't know, this amount of brushes that I have to clean. So let's get started. So I'm going to try to show you to the best of my ability how I do this. I just run the water, I wet the soap a little bit, then I get whatever brush I'm going to clean. I'll start off with this one. I wet it, and then I get some soap in it, rinse the soap, and I get my trusty pink scrubby thingy. Ah yes, pink scrubby thingy is a word. And I just go like this until all the shadow is out of the brush. And I literally just do this until the bubbles come out white. Like so. You see how before they were coming out black, then gray, and now it's white. So that's how I know that the brush is clean. The next one I'm going to do is this pink one. I kind of like to shape it before I set it out to dry so that it takes whatever shape I put it in. Let's do my foundation brush next. So you can also put the pink sticky thing on the edge of your sink, which is usually what I do, but I didn't know if you would be able to see it, and then you just rub it like this against the sink instead of using your hand. It's actually more helpful. Then you just clean the pinky thing and the sink. Ta-da! And lastly, I just dry the brushes with a small towel. Like so. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for coming along with me today. Got my nails all did and nice and pretty, ready for Thanksgiving. I'm so excited to just go home and see everyone, all my family, all my friends. Yeah, it's gonna be a good break, a much needed good break. So anyway, please subscribe to our channel. I'll leave our Instagram link down below in case you want to check it out. And yeah, until next time.